Today we are going to uh, plant the banana pub. So we just got it from one of our friends' place. So they had nicely cut it from the parent tree. You can see that there are a lot of roots. It's important that you always have roots around the pub. So it looks very nice. I'm just trying to create a decent depth for this so that it can hold and it can grow bigger. So let me just dig it a little more. So very important is, so better not to use potting mix. So you should always use a garden soil, and in the garden soil, as much as it should be a mix of sand and garden soil always. So you can see here, so it's not too much soil only, it has a lot of sand in it. So important is the soil should be loose. Okay, so that's why you have garden soil and sand mix. So this place has a similar setup. That's deep enough now. So nicely put the loose soil. So it's a school holiday here in Australia. So it's a time where children stay at home. So doing gardening is one of the important knowledge which will enrich their thought process. So try to do it along with your family and kids. So it likes a lot of water, so make sure that you have enough uh, place to regularly feed water, and it's important that the entire soil around it is moist. Thanks. Slowly, and make sure that you do it very slow, not like that. Oh, no. So very important. So water it very slowly. Okay, don't yeah. So important is you have to every day 2 or 3 times you should give water. Banana plant likes a lot of water. Let it be on the sun, directly on the sun. No issues, but watering is very important. So that's it. We are ready to eat the bananas.